Hi everyone, it's Miss Jamello, and I am so excited to have you again for a second week in my spelling group. You did a rockin' job on your first assessment. I know some pieces of it were tricky, but that's okay. As far as being able to identify the vowel, consonant, vowel pattern and the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern, you did a great job. We're looking for that first vowel and then underlining the pattern. I think you did a great job with that, and this sort, which is sort 13, is going to follow the same procedure. So the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to get 4 different color highlighters, because this time we do have 4 different headers. If you don't have a 4th highlighter, that's okay. Take a marker out, or you can use a crayon. All right, if we look at the first header, we have vowel, consonant, vowel. But there's something special about this that I want us to write so that we remember what patterns and the sounds of the patterns that we're looking for. So under vowel, consonant, vowel, I want you to write the word long. L-O-N-G. Long. So as we're looking for that first vowel, we are hunting for a long sound. And long means that you hear the vowel. The vowel says its own name. So for example, I'm going to take my first color and I'm going to highlight this pattern. The vowel, consonant, vowel. But I have to make sure that it is a long sounding vowel. The example that they give us is silent. And as I'm looking at the first vowel, I-L-E, vowel, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel, that I is long. It says its name in the word. Silent, island, island. The I is long. There are 3 other words in your list that follow the same pattern of vowel, consonant, vowel with a long sounding vowel to begin with. I'm going to find the next one, which is in the same column. The same pattern is female, email, email, female. My first vowel is E and then an M and an A. I have vowel, consonant, vowel. And it's long. It says itself. Long. I'm also going to write that here. It's long. Silent for email. The other word in this list that would fit would be fever. Ever. E says itself. Vowel, consonant, vowel. The E is long. Fever. That also follows the same pattern. My last one in this category is in the middle column too, and it's moment. I find the first vowel, which is an O. O-M-E. Vowel, consonant, vowel. Moment. O says itself. Moment. Oment. O says itself. Vowel, consonant, vowel. Moment. So we have female, moment, fever. With our vowel, consonant, vowel pattern, that sounds long. The other patterns are going to be our vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and it's either going to be a double, like PP or TT or TT, or they're going to be different, NT, BL. So we'll dive a little deep into that. I want you to pick your next color. Okay, so my next color, I'm going to highlight. We have vowel, consonant, consonant. I want that doublet. I do want that doublet, but now the sound for the doublets and for our difference are going to be short. S-H-O-R-T. And your paper should look like mine. We're really training our brain to recognize these patterns, listen for the sound so that we can sort them. The header that we have as an example for vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, that's a doublet with a short sound, is happen. I have here vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. It's a double because we have the letter P and the letter P, and it sounds short. A vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, short. Ha, ah, ah. It's not happen. It's definitely short. Happen, ah, ah, happen with a double. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 other hiding in our list that are doubles. The next one I want to find is better, better with a doublet. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and it's short. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, short, better. It's not beater, that would be kind of weird. Better, better would follow that same pattern. The next word I have is follow, follow. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and short. Follow. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, short, follow. Another word that we have is funny, funny, not foony, that would be weird. Short with a double. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, short. Funny. That would be a doublet that sounds short. Another one we have is yellow, and that's actually down towards the bottom. Yellow, not yellow, it's yellow. That's short. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, a doublet, and short. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, short. That's a double. LL, TT, LL, NN, P, and a P. So that's short. We have 3 more. Pattern, pattern, pattern. I have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. It's a doublet and it's short. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, short. It's not pattern, pattern, short. We also have the word bottom. Bottom. I have that vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, doublet, and short. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, short. Bottom. Not bodum, bottom. And one more, pillow. I have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. It's a doublet, and it's short. Pillow. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, short. Those are doubles. Pillow. That leaves us with our next category. So I'm going to pick another color. We have our vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern, but they're not doublets. They're going to be different in the middle, but they still are going to be short. So we're listening to that short sound. Short sound. So we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, with it being different. That's a big key. That's different. I need to work on my highlighting skills, huh? And the header that they give us as an example is number. Number. That is short. I have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. It's different. So I have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, but it's different and short. Let's see what else we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hiding in our sort left. All right, our first one that we can find is winter, inter, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and they're different. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, they're special, short. They're different. As I'm looking at my list, problem, oblong, problem, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and they're different. BL, problem, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Putting a star because they're different, the B and the L, and that's short. We have the word after. After. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. And it's different with the F and the T. That's not a doublet. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. And that is short. That follows that pattern. After. The next word we have finger. Finger. That's short. Find the first vowel. I-N-G-E, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. They're different, N and G, and it's short. What else do I see? Sister, ister. I have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and the S and the T are different. Sister, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. It's different and short. Sister. Let's look at some of these. Chapter. Chapter. A, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and the P and T are different. So that gives me my clue. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. They're different in the middle, but it's still short. 3 left that are hiding. Member, member. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. The M and the B are different. That fits that pattern. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. They're different, but it's still short. I also see blanket, ankit, blanket, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. These two are different. Not a doublet. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and short. And there's one left. Window, indo, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and they're different. They fit here in that pattern. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. They're different. The N and the D, it's not a doublet, but it's short. Which leaves me with these last 2. Only and water. Not waiter, not adder. This doesn't fit with anything. It is vowel, consonant, vowel, but it doesn't sound. The sound of this doesn't work with anything. So I'm going to take my last color, my oddball group. There's 2. There's 2 hiding. There's 2. And one of them, like I said, is water. Yes, it is vowel, consonant, vowel, but it's not long. It's not waiter. It wouldn't fit there because of the sound. The A is the problem, and you can put a big arrow in front of it. The sound does not fit the vowel, consonant, vowel pattern. Vowel, consonant, vowel. It doesn't fit. It's not waiter. otter, and because it doesn't fit this pattern, it's an oddball. The other word that we have is